This strategy is a game changer for many traders. Also, don't miss out the back and forward testing this strategy on various pairs and time frames with results just before the end of the video. Today, we're going to talk about an amazing tool that many traders swear by, the range filter buy and sell indicator. You can easily add it to your chart on the TradingView platform. Once you do, we'll need to tweak the settings a bit. This handy indicator gives us buy and sell signals based on a range filter. When the filter indicates a buy, that's our cue to enter a long trade. Conversely, when it indicates a sell signal, that's our signal to enter a short trade. Now that we've got the basics down, let's see the indicator in action with a few examples to help you better understand how it works. I've tested it on the euro against US dollar chart, and the results were quite impressive, yielding a profit of 64%. However, it's important to note that this tool isn't foolproof and can sometimes give inaccurate signals. To make the best trading decisions, we'll need to filter out these false signals. Before we dive into that, if you're finding this video helpful so far, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel and turn the notification bell on for more valuable content. Let's introduce another tool to help refine our trading strategy, the capping cross-check 200 MA 50 cross indicator. To break it down further, the 50 period moving average reflects shorter term price movements, while the 200 period moving average represents longer term trends. When the price is above both, it suggests that the short-term and long-term trends are in agreement, pointing to a bullish or upward trend. Conversely, if the price is below both moving averages, it implies that both short-term and long-term trends are bearish or moving downward. As a professional trader, it's essential to have a well-structured strategy in place to maximize profit and minimize risk. With the range filter and capping cross-check indicators as our foundation, let's outline a smart approach to entering and exiting trades. Welcome aboard our crypto arc, where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. First, we'll focus on entering a buy trade. Our primary indicator, the range filter, needs to show a buy signal as a preliminary step. Now, to confirm the signal, we'll turn to our secondary indicator, the capping cross-check. This indicator must also point to an upward trend, giving us the green light to proceed with the trade. If both these conditions are fulfilled, you can enter the buy trade. Next, it's crucial to manage risk by setting a stop loss for the trade. The stop loss protects your investment by automatically closing the trade. If the market moves against you, you can determine the stop loss level using various points of reference, such as the recent swing low, the red line, or the green line. By incorporating a stop loss for your trade, you'll be taking a proactive step toward proper risk management. When it's time to exit the trade, we'll follow a guideline known as the risk-reward ratio. A risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 is a common target, meaning for every dollar you risk, you aim to make $1.50 profit. By adhering to this ratio, you ensure that your potential profits outweigh the risks, which is a key factor in maintaining long-term profitability. For entering a sell trade, we'll apply a similar strategy as we did for the long trade, but with some key differences. Our trusted range filter indicator will be the first to guide us. This time, we're looking for a free sell signal. But just like before, we need a confirmation from our second indicator, the capping cross-check, which should now show a downward trend. Once both these conditions are met, we can confidently enter the sell trade. In terms of risk management, the importance of a stop loss cannot be overstated. For a sell trade, we'll again use a stop loss to protect our investment, but this time we'll look for different reference points to set our stop loss level. These points might include the recent swing high, the red line, or the green line. When it's time to exit the trade, we'll still aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now it's time to see just a part of back and forward testing this amazing strategy on Bitcoin 15-minute, Euro against US dollar 3-minute, and the gold 5-minute charts. And shortly after, I'll share the results with you. Take your trading game to new heights. Look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a Funded Next account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With Funded Next, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets Funded Next apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With Funded Next, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With Funded Next, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about what you'll get? Don't be. With our 24-hour payout guarantee, your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next. Well, the results are just mind-blowing. What at least do you expect a strategy to bring on the table for you? All right, we've reached the end of today's lesson. As you continue your trading journey, don't forget to explore our recommended videos for even more trading strategies to add to your toolkit. Happy trading.